Want clear, glowing skin? Having clear, glowing skin can be a huge boost to your confidence, but it doesn't always come naturally. Following a strict routine, even for just a week, including cleansing and moisturizing your face, can help you achieve that glow. But proper skincare is so much more than just washing your face. Getting a glow and maintaining it depends heavily on your daily habits, and keeping those habits in check will help you maintain radiant skin for a long time. Section 1. Determining your skin type. First things first, you need to determine your skin type. There are 5 basic skin types: dry, oily, combination, normal, and sensitive. And it's important to know which one is yours before you begin treating your skin, because every skin type is treated differently, and understanding yours will help you achieve the best results. Step 1. Cleanse your skin. Wash your face with a mild cleanser to remove dirt, makeup, and excess oil. Then gently pat your face dry with a towel. Don't rub, because that can irritate your skin. Step 2. Test your T-zone. Wait about 30 minutes, then take a tissue or napkin and gently press it against your T-zone. That's your forehead and nose. Step 3. Examine the results. Look at the tissue. Here's what it means. Dry skin. Your face feels tight or flaky and pores are small. You'll need extra moisture. Oily skin. You'll see visible oil on the tissue and your pores may appear larger. You'll need to control oil, not add more shine. Combination skin. The T-zone is oily, but cheeks may be dry or normal. This is very common and manageable. Normal skin, very little oil, no flaking. Your skin is balanced. Sensitive skin. You may notice redness, irritation, or even a burning feeling. This means your skin needs gentle care. Section 2. Now let's talk about the foundation of skincare, CTM. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. You should follow this routine daily, morning and night. But if you have dry or sensitive skin, once a day may be enough. Exfoliation is also important. Do it 2 to 3 times a week for normal or oily skin, and once or twice a week for dry or sensitive skin. Cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser daily. Start with warm water to loosen dirt. Apply cleanser using your fingertips in circular motions. Work from the center of your face outward. Then rinse and pat dry. Choose your cleanser wisely. Cream cleansers are great for dry skin. Gel cleansers work well for oily skin. And always remove your makeup before bed. Toning. Apply toner using a cotton pad. Focus on your T-zone or oily areas. If you have sensitive skin, test first. Some toners can be harsh. Moisturizing moisturizer is essential, even if you have oily skin. Just choose a lighter formula, and if possible, use one with SPF to protect your skin during the day. Eye cream. The skin under your eyes is very thin and needs extra care. Apply a small amount gently around the orbital area. This helps with dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Lifestyle habits. Now let's talk about your lifestyle, because your skin reflects how you live. Stress. Stress increases oil production, which can lead to acne. It can also cause wrinkles and tension in your face. Try to reduce stress where possible and aim for at least 7 hours of sleep. Diet. What you eat matters. Fatty, greasy, and sugary foods can lead to breakouts. Instead, focus on nutrients. Eat foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, and healthy fats like omega-3s. These help protect, repair, and hydrate your skin. Water. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Your skin cells need hydration to function properly. Without it, your skin won't glow. Exercise. Exercise improves blood circulation, bringing oxygen to your skin. Just remember, clean your skin after sweating to prevent breakouts. Sunscreen. This is critical. Sun exposure damages your skin, causes dark spots, and increases acne inflammation. Always wear sunscreen when going outside. Avoid touching your face. Your hands carry oil and bacteria. Touching your face spreads them, leading to breakouts. Even your phone can transfer bacteria. Clean it regularly. Section 4. Makeup. Practical tone. Makeup can enhance your natural glow, if done correctly. Even skin tone. Use a tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone. Apply lightly, don't overdo it. Concealer, use a slightly lighter shade. Apply to dark circles, blemishes, and redness. Blend gently. Bronzer. Choose one slightly darker than your skin. Apply to your face, neck, and chest for a natural warmth. Blush, use a soft pink or peach tone. Apply to the apples of your cheeks and blend toward your temples. Highlighter, optional. Apply to cheekbones, upper lip, and brow bone. Blend for a natural glow. Final step, look in the mirror. and admire the results. This look should feel natural, like you're glowing, not covered in makeup. Calm. Clear, glowing skin isn't just about products. It's about consistency, habits, and taking care of yourself. Stick to the basics, and your skin will reflect it.